Just a glitch, huh? We should really take the opportunity to reevaluate our lives, our families, our businesses, our plans, our futures, our relationships, our survivals, and most importantly, our longevity. All it takes is for us to be distracted by the fact that we could still utilize Wi Fi via all social media sites to be entertained. Yet, texts and calls were obsolete. Of course, you could potentially use those external sites, but most couldn't. But at least if we were entertained, we settle for temporary discomfort. Food for thought. Our distractions create distance. Distance creates lack of trust. Lack of trust locks doors. So, upon arrival of a delayed truth that most refuse to see, your distractions could potentially make you a stranger. And strangers don't open the door for other strangers. We should get back to unity and community unselfishly. We should unite or ignite. But I guess I'm just talking. This is the biggest glitch. This is the biggest glitch is that we can have a glitch and not the wake up. Too distracted. But oh well, I'm gonna post it, but I'm gonna just add this one to the archive. Mark this date. Just a glitch, huh? When will we ever wake up?